Consumer Cellular adheres to FCC regulations as of October 2025, which require carriers to unlock devices under certain conditions. Generally, devices are locked to ensure customer loyalty, but restrict flexibility. To unlock your consumer cellular device, you typically need to be an active account holder for at least 12 months, or 6 months for select devices post-2024. Have the device fully paid off, maintain a good standing account with no overdue payments or fraud flags, and provide the device's IMEI number. The unlock process is usually remote, where Consumer Cellular sends an unlock code or applies it digitally. Unlocking allows you to use the device on other networks, giving you the freedom to switch carriers. To unlock your device, contact Consumer Cellular Support or use their self-service tools available through their customer portal or app. The company reports a high success rate for eligible requests, but denials often occur for unpaid balances or accounts with outstanding issues. Once unlocked, you can switch to another carrier by swapping the SIM card. Keep in mind that unlocking doesn't void the manufacturer's warranty, but it might end carrier-specific support. Also, be aware that while unlocking empowers users, ensure you meet all eligibility criteria to avoid setbacks.